In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to annotate screenshots in Sharex: text, arrows, shapes. If you've ever taken a screenshot and wished you could quickly point something out, label a section, or draw a clean box around an area, Sharex makes that simple with its built-in editor. We'll walk through launching the app, opening an image for editing, and using the same arrow, text, and shape tools you get during region capture, right from the editor. Start by launching Sharex from your desktop. Once the app is open, you'll see the main window with a list of your recent captures. This is where Sharex stores screenshots and other items you create, making it easy to find exactly what you want to annotate. Next, find any image in that main window list and right-click it. This opens a context menu tailored to your selected file. You can choose any screenshot here, maybe a recent capture you want to explain to a teammate or a graphic you're preparing for documentation. From the menu, click Edit Image. This opens the full editor window. Think of the editor as your canvas with familiar tools: arrows, text, and shapes. Even if you're used to adding these during a region capture, the editor gives you the same options with more room to fine-tune your layout. Let's talk arrows first. Select the arrow tool, pick a color that contrasts with your image, and adjust thickness so it's visible without overwhelming the content. Draw from the point of interest outward, and consider adding a slight margin so the arrowhead doesn't cover what you're highlighting. If the arrow feels too bold or too light, tweak the line weight until it reads clearly at a glance. For text, choose the text tool and click where you want your label. Use a readable font size, high contrast color, and if needed, a background or outline to keep words legible over busy areas. Keep labels short and consistent. You can move the text box after placing it, so don't worry if your first click isn't perfect. For shapes, pick rectangles or ellipses to frame areas. Decide whether you want an outline or a filled shape. Outlines are great for circling content, while semi-transparent fills help dim the background behind your labels. Hold Shift while drawing to keep perfect squares or circles, and resize or reposition as needed for a clean composition. As you work, use undo if something doesn't look right, zoom for precision, and keep your annotations balanced so the image stays readable. That's all you need to start annotating confidently in Sharex.